Today I am going to discuss about Apple iPhone battery, and this battery comes with iPhone 6s, and recently I replaced this battery for my phone, and this is the original battery which is made up of li- lithium ion chemical, and this is the thinnest battery I saw, and it looks like this, and it looks very thin. And for original and duplicate, the difference is, first of all, there should be a Apple logo, and second thing is Apple Japan, then it should be Apple South Asia, and manufacturing date will be there. If you are going to buy in 2018, it should be a 2018. This is my battery. I didn't replace it now, so it is 2018 when I replaced to my phone. This is 2015 one. So barcode should be there in a original battery. And for original battery, another thing is you can't open in the new battery. This should be there. I will show you. And if the battery is original, this Apple should be there. Apple, you can see that 820 and some numbers are there. This should be there. And let's see what is there inside the battery, and we will check this what is there inside the battery. Original battery, showed you these things and all before only. Now in duplicate battery, this Apple logo won't be there, and Apple Japan, this won't be there. And first of all, Apple logo should be there. Don't buy without Apple logo. And as I said, this barcode should be compulsory, and above one is there and below one is there. And Apple Japan or Apple South Asia, this should be there. This is about Apple duplicate and original battery, and let's check inside. Guys, I opened the battery, but you can't open full this one. If you are going to open now, lithium is going to smell. It's smelling too much bad. So when it's going to blast, you don't know. So don't open this. And it is smelling very badly. And see, it's already opened here, and it's smelling. It's green inside. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching.